5009 or visit FEMA and the FCC will be conducting a nationwide test of the emergency alert system and wireless emergency alert systems as well. Now, besides startling you, this test is intended to ensure that public safety officials across the nation have the technology and the administrative means to deliver urgent alerts to the public in times of emergency or disaster. So once again, it is a nationwide test. You're going to be hearing it on your cell phone and right here on KNX. It's just minutes away. Don't be startled again. This is just a test.
Just pushed back its return to the office date to October 18th at the soonest. Stocks have been rallying and touching record highs on good news about inflation. The consumer price index rose just 0.5% in July, slower than the 0.9 pace in June. At this hour, the Dow is up 202 points, the Nasdaq is down 45, the S&P up 7. In and about face, Amazon is now willing to police its own platform. Starting September 1st, the online retail giant will pay
in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. An official message would have followed this message. No action. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert.
The system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
The dangers of cardiovascular disease.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation.